Right, so the lawn is looking for a feed today, so we're going to be applying my special mix because I've been getting heaps of questions about this lately. So I thought I'd answer some frequently asked questions and show you guys how to use it. Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. After we dropped down a height of cut on the lawn the other day, it was only 2 days ago, it did stress the lawn out a little bit and we did lose a little bit of colour. Not only that, I did apply some PGR about a week ago today actually, and it has discoloured the lawn a little bit as well. There's some spots that look a little bit sick because of that PGR. Like I've said to you guys, first application of that product, it can make your lawn go a little bit brown. So we're going to amend that today with the special mix. Because it has some liquid iron in it, it's going to help with that colour, but also the other products in there are going to help this lawn repair, add a bit of push to our root growth as well with this less established lawn because it's pretty new. And yeah, it's just going to help the overall health of our soil and our plant as well. First thing I'm going to do is just talk about what these products are and what they do for your lawn. So first one we'll talk about is Quantum H. This product just here, which is humic acid. So it actually lists all the benefits on the back. I have talked about how humic acid works in other videos, but just a quick overview for you guys. It increases your soil moisture retention, improves your plant immune system. It's a great chelating agent when applied to the soil. So if any nutrients are in your soil already, it's going to help your plant take up those nutrients that are currently locked up in there. Also helps produce a stronger plant, and if you do apply it with fertilizers, so liquid fertilizers, it is actually going to extend the longevity of them as well. There's a bit more involved with that. It can help buffer your soil pH as well, make it more neutral. There's a lot of stuff in this. I won't go too in depth today. Have got other videos on it. Next one is our Seaweed Secrets. So this is a liquid kelp product. So the biggest thing and the biggest reason I use this is for soil conditioning and for producing a stronger, more vigorous root system as well. So it's going to stimulate our roots and help them shoot down. So this is another one that's great for our soil. So soil. Now, I like to add liquid iron to this mix as well because we all like to see a bit of a green up on our lawns. If you're not seeing anything happening in the soil, people are like, oh, the product's not working. So it's nice to add a liquid iron. And you get two applications done in one at the same time as well. So liquid iron, or Fe, is really going to help green this plant up. And if you've got iron deficiency, it's going to help with that as well. Now this also has some fulvic acid included in this one here as well, which just means it's going to be taken up by the leaf a little bit quicker as well. And speaking of fulvic acid, that's basically what Stimularizer is as well. So fulvic acid and humic acid are very similar products. Humic acid is more for your soil, fulvic is more for your foliar uptake. So it even says here, increases nutrient uptake, which is the same as your humic, increases soil moisture retention, so very similar, increases beneficial microorganisms in the soil, powerful root stimulant. So it does very similar things, but this is going to hit the foliage and this is going to go for our soil. So I tend to put Stimularizer in most liquid applications I do anyway, because it helps the actual fertilizers pick up those nutrients a little bit quicker through the foliage. And then the last one is Activate Mate. So usually I don't apply Activate Mate with this mix unless I rotate it with this one and take that out of the blend. And the reason for this is because it tends to go a little bit funny with this liquid iron product here and does get a little bit gluggy and thicken up like a lot. So I recommend you don't apply these together. You'll find it'll just block up your sprayer. It's not going to do any damage to your lawn. It's just going to make it really hard to spray out. So normally I'll leave that out. I like to use this as a single application on my plants, or again I like to rotate it because they are a little bit more different. This has got a lot more nutrients involved in it, a bit more nitrogen. But yeah, good liquid fert. Just don't apply it with the mix if you're putting the liquid iron in. That's all I would say. So that's all those products there. So the reason I like them all mixed together is because you get a huge kick of results with this blend of products and killing like 4 birds with one stone, you know what I mean? 2 birds, no, 4 birds. It really does make a difference to your lawn. I'm going to show you guys an update tomorrow of the difference this makes, just in the colour. Mostly that'll come from the liquid iron, but having the fulvic acid and the humic acid will speed up that green up a little bit as well. So let's just talk about mix ratios, because that's another common question I get through the emails. So First thing we'll put down is our Seaweed Secrets in the blend. So I like to put in 100 ml per 100 square meters of this here. Next one we're going to put in is a Quantum H. So I put about 40 ml per 100 square meters. It says on the label you can do 50 to 100 ml. I just do 40, that's just the way I roll with it. Then for liquid iron, I go about 200 ml per 100 square meters. And then Stimularizer, this is awesome stuff. You can go really low rates with this, 3 to 7 ml per 100 square meters. So we're just gonna go 3 ml per 100 square meters. So I've got about 350 to 400, so I'll just, well, 400 if you include the green, so I'll just times that by 4. And for every 100 square meters of lawn, I put in 4 liters of water as well. So 4, 8, 12, 16, so we need 16 liters of water. I just like to always add, I like to fill this up. This is an 18 liter tank, so I just go to 18 liters. If I've got a bit left over in the end, that's cool. But we nearly get bang on with that 16 liters if I perfect my walking pace. Some people still like to use Hortex sprays. The reason I don't use those anymore is because I found every time I used it, the application will be different. It's just, they're not very accurate, but you can use it if you like. There is application rates on there for those. And you can also put all of this in your Easy Flow if you've got an Easy Flow fertigation unit, which I would do, but my sprinkler system isn't 100% perfect. I've got to get that fixed, and it does spray the walls a bit. So your humic acid and your liquid iron would stain your concrete and your walls if you're overspraying. Look up the back of my fence, it's pretty bad. I have actually found a product that works on fences and stuff as well and doesn't damage your lawn, so there'll be a video on that soon. But yeah, it's pretty shocking back there. Anyway, let's mix it up, put it in there, and then let's spray it, and then I'll talk about some more frequently asked questions after I finish spraying. This mix, because it does have some products that need to get down to the soil, we need to make sure we water it in within 24 hours. Now, you could technically water it in within half an hour afterwards. I usually wait at least 4 hours just so the liquid iron is taken up by the plant properly and isn't washed off the leaf. But the fulvic acid is supposed to speed up that process, so you can technically do it within half an hour, but I just like to wait a little bit longer. But at least make sure you at least water it in within 24 hours so you get the best results out of this product. But it's as easy as that. Spray in 2 directions, and yeah, make sure you don't hit your fences or your sheds because you'll get stains everywhere. But yeah, it's pretty easy to do. Again, I find the knapsack, it's just I enjoy using a knapsack, but the fertigation system is also great if your sprinklers are getting good coverage. You don't need irrigation to actually use one of those fertigation systems as well. You can use just a normal sprinkler if it gets proper coverage over an area. Why not use that? Just a couple of frequently asked questions as well. So a lot of people do ask me if you can mow before you apply it. Yep, you sure can mow it before you apply it. A lot of people ask, again, if you have to water it in, make sure you water it in like I said just before. And really apart from that, people ask mixed ratios normally, which I covered earlier in the video, and how long afterwards should you see results is a very common question I get, which generally about 24 hours. So I'll show you guys some before and afters right now. So this is before, this is at the exact same time, so 12 p.m. and this is after at 12 p.m, which will be tomorrow, that I'll take these shots and edit them into the video. But as you can see here out the back, it's greened up in 24 hours, and it will get greener than this as well. Same as out the front. The golf green won't green up too much because it's already got quite a bit of colour in it because I've been putting liquids on it already, but yeah, you can really tell the difference in the back here, which is awesome. If you guys have any more questions about that special mix, make sure you shoot them down below and ask me a question about it. If you find that you're getting little black spots on your leaves as well after you apply it, that is the humic acid. It's not disease. It just means you have to back off your humic acid a bit. So instead of putting 40 ml out, you might need to put 20 ml out, or just water it in nearly straight away so it doesn't stick to the leaf. That's the best way to combat that, because sometimes I get some guys asking if it's a bit of disease when it's normally just humic acid staining. which I've done it before as well, so it's all good. But yeah, if you have any more questions, shoot it down in the comments below. I'll try to get to as many of them as I can, or you can shoot me an email at bensims@lawntips.net. Happy to help you guys as much as I can. But yeah, you can purchase this product on my website. It's under lawntips.net/shop, and then you go to the Plant Doctor section, and the special mix bundle is there, and it comes in quite a few different sizes as well. Anywho, I'm going to wrap the video up there, but thanks guys so much for watching. I think about doing a live stream possibly next week for you guys that are stuck inside with this whole virus thing that's going on at the moment. In Australia here, we're still good. We're not on lockdown, but there's a lot of restrictions being put in place, so who knows. Might shoot some more videos so you guys have a bit more content to watch. We'll see how we go time-wise, because it does take a while to edit them. Might have to get an editor. I don't want to do that. But yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. I'm going to go cut this green probably later today, so you can actually cut your lawn as well. That's another thing. Not long after you've applied it. I'm probably going to cut it this afternoon, so in about 4 hours. I'll cut that and I'll water this section in tonight. Thanks guys so much, really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.